guys, today we're making a simple DIY card in case when someone gets a little bit sick, like catch a cold or get injured or take their wisdom tooth out or have some, smaller health issues. For serious health issues, I would not recommend these kind of jokes. If you forget to get a card or you're in a hurry, this is a great DIY. I have this paper. This is not a normal A4, it is thicker. It's like a bit of a thin cardboard. You will need a black pen, scissors to cut this to a smaller size because we don't need card that big, and you will need one band-aid, believe it or not. So first thing that I will do is to cut this paper on a smaller size because I want my card to be much smaller than this. When you fold it, this is still too big, so we will cut it on like half. When you cut a card on the size that you want, so it's smaller than my hand and it opens like this, we will get the band-aid out of the packaging and put it in the middle, and then we will make his little face, arms, legs, and write something. And then you can take a pen of any color as you wish. I think black looks the best on this. We need to make him a little face. The way we do it, we just put 2 dots for his eyes and a little mouth. So very simple, do not complicate it. It's gonna look not so good, I think, if you complicate it too much. So let's do that now. If you want him to be a girl, then put lashes, but I think this is a boy. And then we're gonna add the hands. So the hands you add at the beginning of the padded part. I think that is the best part to add the hands. We're gonna do his little legs the same way. So we're gonna come from here, I think, just do down and make a little legs. And then I think it will be cute if he holds a balloon. Any kind of message like best wishes or get well soon. It would be the best to write message here or here. If you write it here, then you're gonna balance this side of the card with this, which I do prefer. I like symmetry. It's so simple but so cute. I think anybody will love to see this card to get it when they got a bit sick. I hope you like this DIY, and if you want to see more DIY, check out other videos on my channel. Also, all my links will be in the description box down below. My website link where you find more DIYs, crafts, and my other channel will be linked too for traveling, motivation, education. I travel a lot and I moved countries recently, so many videos on that topic. And yeah, I hope you like it. I'm gonna show you up close. Too cute. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground, guys. Bye!